Parametric modeling. Parametric modeling is the ability of any software to use standard properties and parameters to define the size and shape of any geometry. So we can use any selected geometry and change the size or the shape without any consideration of its original dimensions. Let's take this example. Let's say we have a pipe housing and it has a bolt pattern in it. And let's say it has 4 different bolts in it of 1-inch diameter. And we decide, oh, we want to go to a 5 bolt holes and we want it to go, 3/4 of an inch diameter holes. You can make the change and it will automatically update it without having to go through all kinds of steps. It's basically has the ability to make changes to the shape and geometry on the fly. A very common example I use is, for example, let's say you have an axle and then you have, say, a bearing around the axle and a housing around that. If I make the shaft, the axle shaft, bigger, it automatically updates the size of the bearing, automatically updates the size of the housing, just by a simple click of the diameter of the axle shaft. So this is a very good example of parametric modeling, and Fusion is a parametric modeler.